A hollow metal sphere of internal and external radii 2 and 4 cm respectively is melted into a solid cone of base radius 4 cm. Find the height and the slant height of the cone. You see, this is a hollow sphere, right? The image of a hollow sphere. Outer radius is capital R, inner radius is small r, and is melted and then recast into solid cone. This is the cone. The radius of the base is 4 cm, small r, height is small h, and the slant height is small l here. So we know that the metal part of it has been equal to the metal part of this one. The metal part is basically says a hollow one. Inside it is just air. Now how to find the volume of this sphere, which has a metal part? If you take the bigger radius capital R and you find out the volume of this sphere, you will find the volume of this metal part and also the air inside it. If you take the smaller r and find the volume, you will find the volume of only air. So from the volume of metal and air, if you subtract the volume of air in it, you will get only the metal. And this is how we'll get the volume of the metal. Once we have got the volume of the metal, that will become the volume of the cone in it. And we can apply the formula and solve it. So what is the formula for volume of this metal? It will be 4 upon 3 pi capital R cube minus 4 upon 3. This is metal and air both. And 4 upon 3 pi small r cube, says r here, cube, will give you the volume of air. Subtract the air from metal and air, you will get only metal. So that is what is a volume, and this gives you what? 1 upon 3. Volume of this one is what? 1 upon 3 pi r square h. You can take it as r1 and r2, no issue. They are different, they have not given that. Now we can take common in it. What is that? 4 upon 3 is common, pi is common. It will give you r cube minus small r cube. Okay, and here it will be 1 upon 3 pi r2 square h. 3 got cancelled, pi got cancelled. So what is left? 4 r cube minus small r cube is equal to r2, okay, square h. Now we have got this. This is what we will substitute the value. Now we can't reduce this furthermore. So write it here. So 4 r, what is capital R? Is 4 in it. So 4 cube minus small 2 cube is equal to r is what? 4 centimeter here. This is 4 centimeter. Okay. So 4 is square, right? And into h we have to find, because h is not given to you. So if I solve it here, so h will be equal to 4. We can write 4 cube as this 64 and 2 cube is 8. The whole thing upon 4 square. So 4 into 4. This 4 got cancelled. So we'll get here 64 minus 8 is how much? So if you subtract 8 from it, you are subtracting, so it will be 56, right? Upon 4. So it will give you how much? 14. So h is, we got it as 14. What is that? 14 centimeter. So what is the h in it? H is this one, 14. Now we have to get L also in it. We have got the answer, one of the answer, we have to get L. So how to get L in it? We know that L square is under root. 14 is how much? If you square 14, how much do you get? I'll write it here only. 196 is 14 square. 4 square is 16. You add them up, how much you get? So L here would be 212 under root. Now if I solve this further, what will I get? L will be equal to under root of 212. So what is under root of 212? 14.56. So this is the answer for the L in it. This is the final answer. This one here. 14.56 centimeter. This is centimeter. Okay. So this is how we have to solve it.